Coalfields Regeneration Trust is a UK charity. We exist to help strengthen and champion coalfields communities. We've invested a lot as the Coalfields Regeneration Trust over the last 20 years into sport and physical activity, but I think we needed to better understand what we were doing.
The aims of this project were really to show and showcase the excellent work that's going on in terms of walking football in former mining areas.
So we do know anecdotally that walking football has psychological, social and physical health benefits, but there isn't a strong research base for that. So what we're doing with Coalfields Regeneration Trust is we're doing some core academic research with a large group of participants to formally evaluate the benefits of this activity.
The funding's allowed us to produce the scoping report into walking football. It's an element of the game which I think is going to grow and grow and grow, and that will lead to, hopefully, further external funding, which will, one, allow us to continue that research with the university and also then develop a number of community sessions that we see in Coalfields communities, because walking football, I think, has that power to bring people together and also shows that football is for all, regardless of your age and ability.
Well, I think it makes perfect sense to use the Partnership and Engagement Programme. It's a way of combining resources, both physical and non-physical. You've got a vast range of experience at USW.
And there's all sorts of things that we can do to help businesses. So sometimes businesses, they have data collected that they would like to be analysed. We can get involved in helping them with that sort of analysis. And there's different sorts of models that they can use, which might involve having students working on projects and doing that for them. It might involve co-funding a particular type of research for academic staff to work on. And we can do research with them, we can get publications, we can write them reports.
The University of South Wales is an important partner for us. We are based on campus in Treforest, and again, it was the USW Exchange team that helped us found that space. So it just goes to show that there's multiple benefits of being involved with the university, and I think it can produce a lot of dividends in terms of the things we do, add some value, add some evidence behind some of the activities that we run.